If you have any rusty and greasy parts, send them to us at Vapor Honing Technologies. We can do free sample testing. This can help you decide which abrasive or machine can satisfy your needs. When you ship your applications to us, make sure it has these 3 important requirements. 1. Customer name and address. 2. A short description about this part. Is it aluminum, brass, or carbon steel? Is it a carburetor or CNC machined aluminum? What kind of process or finish are you looking for? Do you want us to polish the part, remove, or prep for coating? 3. Send us a return label. Call our sales team or check our description for more information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe.